Hello, good day. This is Ikeolubi Obaku. Welcome to the Mix and Bake online school. In this class, we'll be making ice cream. Ice cream. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful, isn't it? Okay. I just want to introduce you to a few things we have. Now, you may wonder what kind of ice cream. I'm making different types. There's just a basic ingredients you need. You need condensed milk. Okay. You need your whipped cream. Now your whipped cream should be cold. You need vanilla flavor. You need a pinch of salt, just a little salt. Now, these are the very basic things. Your condensed milk, your whipped cream. Very basic, very, very important. Then, you need any form of alcohol, all right? In this class, I'll be using Baileys. You can use whiskey. Okay, I would explain the reason why you need alcohol later. But if you do not want to use alcohol, you don't have to. But the alcohol makes it not to crystallize, all right? Then I have my caramel here. These are going to be variations now, variations to what I want to do. So I have my caramel. I have cookies, Oreo cookies. Okay, I have caramel. I have mixed fruits. So I'm going to be making one with cookies, another one with caramel, another one with mixed fruit. But it's not compulsory. I'll just make plain vanilla. All right. So basically, these are the ingredients you need. Then of course, you need your mixer bowl. Make sure your mixer bowl is cold and out of the oven. Okay. So basically, that's what we need. So we'll be going on right to the next thing we have to do. Okay, so relax and stay tuned. I'm Ikeolubi Obaku, the chief host for the Mix and Bake online school. Okay, docs. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.